Welcome to Imarticus Learning. In today's video, we are going to talk about a few good documentaries that you can watch based on machine learning. First one, the social dilemma. What's behind your Facebook? Is someone on the other side of your Instagram? The social dilemma examines our growing dependency on social media, how it's reprogramming the way we interact, and the insider secrets about how the companies work. The second one, the Great Hack. The Great Hack outlines in detail how social media sites such as Facebook and data firms such as Cambridge Analytica harvest users' data to sell things, including the political candidates and agendas. This documentary symbolizes the dark side of social media and its contribution into the elections. Third one, coded bias. This documentary investigates the bias in the algorithms after M.I.T. lab researcher uncovered flaws in the facial recognition technology. How fair are the algorithms that are increasingly a part of our life? This documentary explores what algorithms can do, how do they work, how they might add bias and impact our lives.